Back in year 2017, I was sitting in a garden and just contemplating what kind of a network friends I have around and what is that I want to cultivate. Why am I so lonely? Why am I not feeling the kick of being together with awesome people? I understand that your network is your net worth. I understand that your average of 5 people you keep company of. But then where is the company? Where are the people that I want to be collaborating with? And that's when I made a conscious decision that I'm going to go after people who are awesome in their craft and who have like-minded thinking like me. Once I set that vision, I went on chasing. That's when I registered for Millionaire Mind Intensive, understood about the mindsets of how the laws of money work, and then I also become part of their alumni, and later I got connected with BNI, Business Network International, and then I started attending those sessions together with entrepreneurs of Bangalore. And then I got into a bigger network, and from there I built my own network, and then I understood the power is in you, that we got to make a conscious decision, take the first step in faith, and things will unfold in front of you. Hello and welcome back to eConsulting Business Podcast. I'm your host Vishwamohan, and today we are going to dive deep into this topic that is essential for the success in the world of consulting: strategies for cultivating a professional network. Before I jump into the strategies, let us talk about cultivating a professional network is indispensable, and especially for working professionals who are going to transition into independent consultant. Because if you want to find job, if you want help, if you want to have a comprehensive solution to your clients, then probably you just have to learn how to network. And this professional network will be your lifeline. So what are the 3 important reasons why we need to cultivate professional network? First is access to resources. A strong network provides access to valuable resources, including knowledge, opportunities, and mentorship. Second is collaboration and partnerships. Networking opens doors to potential collaborators, partners, and joint ventures that can boost your consulting career. Third is business growth. A diverse network of connections can lead you to a steady influx of clients, helping you grow your consulting business and achieve your financial freedom. Now that you understood from my own story how I built my network, you got to understand there are some strategies to build it. So we'll try to understand at least 6-step strategy to help you build and nurture a thriving professional network. Ready? First is define your goals. Clearly outline what you want to achieve through your network. Whether it is finding clients, gaining knowledge, or securing partners, you can have different group of networks for different causes. So identify them and start building the tribes around it. Second is identify your key connections. Identify individuals within your industry or niche that can provide you valuable insights or opportunities. Third is attend networking events. Attend industry events, webinar, conferences, meet like-minded professionals. Look, the network doesn't come for cheap. It has got its investments in terms of your time and effort and money. It takes you to travel to places to make that friendship grow. And the bond comes investing in your relationship. Fourth is engage on social media. Utilize social media platforms to connect with the industry leaders and participate in the relevant discussions. When you show up, when you give your advice, and when you try to make your mark by caring for them, by writing a review for them, and connecting genuinely from heart to heart is when this works, be it on social media or on the offline platform. There is no shortcut. It takes effort and time to build professional network and to create that kind of a bond. Remember, you got to deposit more than you withdraw. That's the essential part of any network. Fifth is offering value. Always look for way you can provide value to your network, whether it is sharing your expertise or helping others, giving some templates, telling about the aha moments that you reached and how did you get there, what kind of tactics, methods, principles that you use to make that win can give greater value to your network. Sixth, stay consistent. Networking is an ongoing process, so make an effort to maintain and nurture your connections regularly. So don't always reach out when you have a work with them, but be consistent in giving value. Oftentimes post things of interest for them and seek out if they need help. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on strategies for cultivating professional network, especially for those aspiring to thrive as independent consultants. Remember, your network can be the bridge between your current career and consulting success of your dreams. If you're eager to learn more about building a professional network and becoming a successful online consultant, be sure to join my eConsulting Masterclass. It's a chance for you to connect with the growth-minded professionals and take your career to a new level. If you're not yet part of my VIP community, do subscribe now and be part of my awesome team. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Vishwamohan, your guide to e-consulting world. Signing off until next time, keep building your valuable connections. Keep pursuing your path to freedom. Cheers, God bless.